Today I'm going to show you how to inflate and tie a double stuffed balloon. Some of my newer balloon garland kits will include double stuffed balloons. This is just one balloon inside of another. All of the balloons will arrive pre-stuffed, so you don't have to worry about doing that. And the point of double stuffing is really just to create a custom color. So you will just follow the steps included on my DIY balloon garland kit instruction card. You'll take the tip of the balloon and insert it, and just do 2 pumps to fully inflate the balloon. So this is what it will look like. And then to tie it, you're just going to want to take that inner balloon here, just like this, and then just tie off the balloon like you normally would. So this is what it will look like once it is inflated and tied. And then to attach it to your balloon strip that is included in your kit, same thing, we're only going to use that inner balloon here. So you have the hole on your strip, you'll just punch out the little plastic piece and then take the end of the inner balloon that we used to tie and insert it into the strip, just like that.